I just finished unbraiding my hair, and I think this looks, apart from the fact that I didn't twist it well, but yeah. And this is my hair length. I think my hair is reducing all the time. I don't know why, but I think it's shrinking. But yes, so I'm done on braiding my hair. I need to go take a shower and then get ready for bed. And yes, my order came in. We need to unbox that too. Yes, so let me quickly freshen up and then we'll get to that. So guys, I ordered a pretty big bag. What is this? Yeah, so my order just came in, so we're gonna have to unbox it. Yeah. Why is it all pokey? Anyways. Bonjour. So guys, because I slept late last night, I'm not waking up, and I think it's like 9 o'clock. No, I woke up like about 30 minutes ago, and it's now 9 o'clock because I have to like do my quiet time and all of that before I can get my day going. I don't want to talk too much because I have a lot to do in a short space of time, so let's just get right into it. So guys, now I'm about to go shower and also wash my hair. Yeah, we have to wash this morning, so I'm just going to like shower and wash my hair right now. So guys, this is my hair after wash, and yeah, the length is gone. I know, right? But let me see. Let's measure this. Okay, here is my hair, and yeah. So I have to like pause with the hair thing first because it's gonna take me a lot of time, and I haven't had my breakfast yet, so I'm going to have to do that. Then we come back for the hair. Yeah. So guys, I'm done with my breakfast, and these are the products I'm going to be using for my hair. I have this jojoba oil. This is olive oil, but this one is like a hair polisher for anti-freeze, anti-breakage, heat protection, smooth and protect. So, and then this other one is a hair moisturizing serum, so it repairs dry and damaged hair, nourishes, hydrates, and shine. Yes, so I'm going to be using the combo, the 3 products on my hair. So yeah. Guys, I'm done styling my hair, and this is very hot. I know this is not gonna last up to tomorrow, but I just
like the feeling right now, so yes. And then tomorrow we'll find a solution. So for now, it's a new day and I've gotten ready because I want to step out. Wait, I think I should bring this a little bit down. So I've gotten ready because I want to step out. Another day to dress like a cartoon or a toy. Yes, so I'm putting on this with the black pants. You can't see that. Yes, the plan is I'm going out to go and get something. It's raining outside. I woke up, it was drizzling, so it wasn't this bad, but I was still contemplating on whether I should go or I should not go. Now that it's raining, it's not that my body is ginger to go outside with all this cold. Apparently I have to wear 2 jackets, I think. I don't know if this is enough for the cold, but yeah. So without further ado, apparently what I was looking for, I went to the first store and I didn't find it. So I had no choice but to come to the city, to run around the city center to try again. And this is the first time I'm actually seeing the city center this empty, like this empty, that I can walk in peace. Oh my god. Yeah, and some people are doing their shoots at the back. So yeah. At this point, I'm not a fan of cars, but like this car, it's thrilling. Like, it's giving, I don't know, like, how it is. Probably I found my dream car, maybe not. Who knows? So guys, I'm finally back for whatever treasure I went to look for that no one sent me. Yes. So I've never worn like wig before. Okay, I won wig before, but it's like the sew-in method, and that lasted I think for like a few days because the heat could just kill. Normally I don't like wig, but I think we're in that point where we're exploring things and we want to be like girly girls, like, yeah. So I want to try this. So I got a wig like about oh my god, why is it looking crunchy? I got a wig like I think it's like 2 or 3 months ago, and I just got it because I just wanted to, but now I want to lay this wig. But the thing is, we're going to be using someone's tutorial. We're going to be using Mavila's tutorial. So yes, because I don't know, her wig, she lays her wig so well and I like it, so we're going to be using her tutorial to do this. So I have my wig, I have the wig cap, I have the... So first things first, Mavila said to wax the hair first, so I'm gonna be doing that. Okay, this is, it's like I think 180, the lace thing. And then next she said to use a hot comb, and I don't have one, so I'm just going to use my tail comb to do. Okay, so yes, yeah, done with that part. And then next thing, I have to remove my wig and put on the wig cap. I already like made my hair yesterday. I already braided my cornrows yesterday because I had to secure it with this kind of weather. I don't know what to do with my hair yet. And so my Bella said she does not care about her edges, but I do care about mine. So I decided to wear this. I don't know what to do. So guys, this wig is 16 inches. I thought it was actually going to be long, but this is it. And it's annoying me right now, but I've already started the process, so I just have to continue. Okay, she said we should cut like here. I've cut it blue. Very thin layer. I don't know what is in here, but this is scary. This is this. She said we should allow it to dry, so I want it to dry faster. I finally started getting transparent, so she said to put the sides first. So guys, finally we are actually made girly. Honestly, I can't believe I'm putting on a wig. Let me show you guys. Let's remove this. It's not that good, but like I'm satisfied with it. let me not say satisfied, but I'm okay with the results because it's my first time. So guys, here it is. Tell me it's not giving slay. Tell me it's not giving slay. Ah. Honestly, I could not record this all of it on camera because my battery was dead, kind of, and my storage also is full. So yeah, I just need to now add some lip gloss and that's it. Period.